Hi friends, welcome to my channel Loh. Today we will learn about the Arabic alphabet Ghain. Ghain is the 19th Arabic alphabet. Let's watch Ghain. Hi, my name is Ghain. 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 You can spell Ghain in English as Ghaeen. Ghain. It sounds like gargling sound. Gha, gha, gha. Ghain. How to pronounce Ghain? The back side of the tongue will touch the upper throat, producing gha sound like gargles, and then in sound. Gha in. Ghain. Gha in. Ghain. Gha in. Ghain. The words starting with Ghain are Ghurab means crow, Ghaima means cloud, and Ghurfa means room. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye friends.